Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I am sharing with you my April 2020 For the Love of Homemade kits, and I will have a closer look here at my list so I can share with you what I've done. So the first thing on the list is a pattern paper that has been in your stash for a long time. So I went and pulled out this purple pattern paper here. It is from Arctic Frog from 2004, so it has definitely been in my stash for a long time. I mean, look, it even gives you where to cut for 8.5 by 11 papers. So this was the first paper that I picked out, and every other paper after that I have chosen for that. So a monochromatic paper. I pulled this one from Close to My Heart. It is a teal on teal. Hopefully you can see that. I also pulled a purple paper from Close to My Heart. It is light purple on dark purple. And then a diagonal striped paper again. Close to My Heart. And that is this blue diagonal stripe right here. Pattern paper with green in it. I did two. So I have this green paper right here, and the other side is also green, so either one could work. And then I also pulled out this Maggie Holmes Gather. It is a dark blue on the back, but I pulled it out for the green frames. And then I also grabbed two other papers. One is this blue floral, and one is this kind of like splotchy polka dot print. And then a 6x6 or 6x8 paper pad. Most of my paper pads are pulled apart and demolished. So I do have this one that still is together from Tonic. It is the December Skies. It's specialty card. So it has this kind of deep blue metallic. It has this lighter blue. It's a metallic too. This silver. And then this kind of white fabric-y type. So I have that. And then for mixed media watercolors, so I do have these. These are Winsor & Newton watercolors, and they are watercolors that are on a watercolor sheet, and you just kind of use it. These I got in a Love from Lizzie card kit, and I hadn't used them yet, so I just pulled those out because it has the purples and the greens that I figured I could use. I probably won't touch the red or the yellow, but I do have those. And then modeling or texture paste, I pulled out my Vicki Boutin molding paste, and I also pulled out two Nouveau embellishment mousses. This one is aloe vera, and this one is aquamarine. So I have those two. And they're gonna roll. And then embellishments, washi tape. So I pulled out a couple fun little washi tapes, mostly in the teal and blues. So I have this kind of green glitter. I have the blue kind of scallopy glitter. I have this diagonal stripe. I have this floral. I also have this silver. So those are my washi tapes. Labels. So for labels, I only pulled out a couple. This is part of an October afternoon label sheet. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these left, so hopefully we'll be able to use those all up. For stars, I pulled out two. I have these green sequin stars, and I also have these Super Dazzle stars from High Supply. An older embellishment die cut pack. So this I struggle with because I don't keep my embellishments and my die cut packs together. I kind of split them apart into what they feel like. But I do have this die cut pack from Altenew. I got it probably 2 years ago, so I'm going to consider this as older. So I have that. Foliage and leaves and vines. So I have these big purpley die cuts that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then I also went through and picked out lots of leaves and viney things. And these are all older, like basic gray ones. So I pulled those out. And then mixed media material. So for my mixed media material, I pulled out some burlap ribbon. I also have my white tulle, which is kind of unrolling. So we have that. And then I also pulled out this fabric paper, and it's in the teal color. Okay, and then last but not least, a metallic set of thickers or an alphabet of some kind. I pulled out the Silver Sparkle Fitzgerald. And if you notice, I got silver throughout. And then an alphabet that has been in your stash for over a year. So that would be this Freckled Fawn foam green and white letter alphabet. So this has definitely been in my stash over a year. It's been in my stash over 5 years. So yeah, long time. So there it is. That is my For the Love of Homemade Kits kit. I hope that you will join me in seeing what I can get done with this month. See you guys again real soon for another video.